So today is, you could say it's family day, and we are on our way to one of Angie's friends' parties. You might remember her. Her name is Zoe. And we're going roller skating. Well, we might not be going roller skating, but Angie's definitely going roller skating. I don't know if Layla's gonna go roller skate. Are you, baby?
I'm gonna roller skate and meet my friends.
I can't see you. Put your head right here. There she is. She said she's gonna leave her friends in the dust.
That's it. Show how good you can roller skate, right? Yeah, I think it all depends. Like if it goes there and no one's doing the roller skating, like the adults, you might as well sit down and be social.
I don't care what they're doing. If I want to roller skate, I'm roller skating.
Well, that's what I mean, yeah.
I don't. I'll roller skate, but I don't know if I'm gonna go to roller skate.
I have the hiccups and they're turning into burps.
Breakfast, anyone? Got your skates? Come on, if Hervé's out there, you gotta be out there.
I said.
Give me your jacket, baby. Whoa, already, baby?
Are they good? They seem a little big.
They're big. They're too big? All right, get a one.
Take them off, yeah. Extra ones instead.
Go ahead, just grab them off.
I don't know how to skate anymore.
I think they're just too big. Babe, stand next to Laylo. Oh my God. Look. Look. You look like a giant, Laylo. Oh,
sorry, Angie. Birthday sign too late. I forgot you got it.
I have a birthday girl.
yeah, because you're a birthday girl.
I was the birthday boy.
You ready for Christmas?
His birthday's yesterday. Yeah.
Your birthday was yesterday?
Yeah, I just turned 10.
Woo! Happy birthday. Oh, how cute! You gonna put that on now? Yes, you have to.
Like it? What is it?
Let me see. Yeah, you gotta put it on.
Are you gonna take a picture?
No, she's gonna skate in it.
She is?
Yeah.
Okay. Well, I saw you feel that's how he fancy with it.
You sure you want them?
Yeah, Lizzie, you want to kill me? He fancy with it. Those 18-year-old ankles, right? It ain't the 18-year-old ankles like they used to get weak. You gotta work them out, you know what I'm saying? Whoa. Exactly. That's what it's all about, though. All I just don't laugh. The cuts, it's good right here, bro. The reaction. And then if all else fails, the tackle, you just go
Top. Oh, top about to go out. He about to go out. Top about to bust his ass.
I heard the ankle cracking way over there.
You ready? You might have to give him a massage tonight. He's gonna be broken.
Especially tomorrow.
Ah, he's good so far.
Give him a couple rounds, right?
La la la. Hey. How you doing? Good. Hi. Everybody else is good, right? You're good on skates. Oh my goodness.
I'll tell you that, chill out.
Oh, she's good.
Alright guys, at this time, can I please have the person in charge of Juliana's birthday party up to the front desk? Once again, can I please have the person in charge of...
Oh, okay. I usually get 6s, I think.
She's really big.
All right, guys. Kilo about to show his business with the old school. Hi, Angie. Woo. You just see your friend?
No, Priscilla.
Huh?
Victoria?
How's she doing? Could she skate now?
No, she's still on the side. She said that Victoria said hi to me. Hi to me and she misses me a lot.
Oh, Priscilla?
No. Victoria.
Well, that's your number.
No, she doesn't. She doesn't get it. Oh, Dad's getting it?
Yeah. I'll put him over there. You want to go out? Can't go with your coffee.
Yeah, what's up? 6'7", 240.
6'7", 240. Babe, don't.
Is that good or bad?
240, 6'7". Yeah, that's good. Babe, you're gonna give me that coffee. Give me that coffee.
I can't roll on the rug. Hold on. I need one more sip. Hey, now you're the tall one.
Stop showing off before I fall.
Once I start the music, the first person in line can start the contest. Also, guys, this next song is going out on a very special request. Can I please have Jeremy to the snack bar? Once again, Jeremy, please go to the snack bar.
You good? I got it all on camera.
I'm trying to stay out the way. It won't be a cake face by accident. They're not done yet. Look, Look. You bought?
I shaved my butt cheek off. They tried to get cake on me, and I reached. I said, and then I broke my whole back.
You ain't done yet.
Birthday.
You're still trying though. Still doing it. Alright guys, so we are almost done. It's almost time to pack up. So this is the end of the party. We had fun. We had a good time. Skated a little. I know my body's gonna hurt tonight probably, but it's all worth it, right? Angie's still out there. Get her skate on still.
I need my shoes!
It was good, they have fun. I was thinking about doing Angie's party here too, but I don't know, I gotta talk to Kim to see if it's worth it. It seems like it's worth it, but I think it's like 20 bucks a person. So me and Kilo are gonna have to talk about it. But anyway guys, we had fun. I hope you had fun watching us have fun in this vlog. And until the next video, we'll catch you on the flip side.
All right, guys.